Hello everybody, here is a Ward's signature box fan. This one happens to be an automatic version. Unfortunately, this is not the reversible one. Those were basically the holy grail of Ward's signature box fans. This one's just one direction though. But still, this thing is pretty freaking awesome. I'm going to go ahead and flip it around here. The motor in this fan is absolutely fucking massive. I mean, that's at least 5.5 or 6 inches. That is a huge motor. And these fans just feel huge because of how big everything is. Like, the blades in it are massive. The hub in the center is massive. And this motor is just so fucking large. It's crazy. I don't remember who makes this motor, but it's very, very powerful. This will be the first time I'll be actually getting an amp draw on it. And this one actually isn't in too terrible a shape. Believe it or not, when I first saw it, I actually thought it was a General Electric W27 box fan because of the brown and white color scheme. But lo and behold, it is quite far from that. I will turn it to the side so you can actually see the blades. These blades are just serious. They mean business. It's very impressive how much air this thing moves. I have not tested the thermostat yet, so I suppose we can do that in this video. But for now, we'll start it off on low. Oh, I think there's 2 off positions. Now that is a great low speed. I think Jordan, you would approve of this low speed. Very quiet. And we're at 1.5 amps. Very quiet fan, moves good air. And I'll put it up to medium. Actually, we'll first check the thermostat. Thermostat works. We'll let it get back up to speed. And I'll put it on medium. Very big difference between the two. We're now at 2.25 amps. I can see all the dust getting sucked in behind this thing. And also the curtains. There we go. Now I can breathe a little bit easier. Let's verify that wasn't affecting the low speed. Still has a good low speed. This is a great low speed. In that case, now I'll put it on high. And holy crap, that is a powerful box fan. This thing's really moving some air. Oh my gosh, it's blowing everything everywhere. Somehow only drawing 2.8 amps while doing so. Now the part I'm sure everybody has been anticipating, the spin down. Sounds like it's got some bearing noise going on. This one probably needs a good maintenance. All right, I will think that I will end the video here. I think I've shown you just about all there is to see on this fan, other than the cord, which I will need to install strain relief for. Thanks for watching.